Today I'm making some delicious costillas de puerco in Chile Colorado. They're perfect for lunch or dinner and so easy to make. Let me show you how. I'm gonna start off by setting my pan to medium-high heat, and we're gonna add 2 pounds of pork short ribs. Next, we add 2 bay leaves, some salt, and water until all the meat is fully covered. Cover and cook until all the water dries up and the meat starts frying. Meanwhile, I'm gonna remove the seeds from the chiles. I'm gonna be using 8 chile guajillos, 2 chile pasillas, and 2 chile anchos. For this part, I like to use my scissors. I cut off the stem and remove all the seeds. Now in my saucepan set to high heat, I'm gonna add some water. Once the water is boiling, we're gonna boil 6 tomatillos, just until they change color. It's been 3 minutes, and as you can see, they've changed color, and I'm gonna transfer them into the blender. In the same water, we're gonna boil our chiles just for a few minutes. After 6 minutes, they're ready, and I transfer them into the blender along with 1.5 cups of the water. To that, I'm gonna also add 3 garlic cloves, a small piece of white onion, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of better than bouillon, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we blend. Our ribs have been cooking for 1 hour and 20 minutes, and as you can see, the water has dried up. Continue frying for a couple of minutes more until they look like this. Now we can remove some of the excess grease and we add in the salsa. Mix it all in, and this is the perfect time to check for more salt or bouillon. Now we reduce the heat, cover it up, and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, our ribs are ready. I'm gonna serve it with some Mexican rice, and I already have a recipe for this rice if you're interested. And look just how delicious these look. The salsa, it's so full of flavor. The meat falls off the bone. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly, guys, you need to try this. The meat is super tender. It's so delicious. I love pairing it with some arroz rojo, but you can always pair it with some frijoles refritos, frijoles de la olla, homemade corn tortillas. It's so good with anything, honestly. And also, it's not spicy at all. It looks spicy, but it's not. If you want it spicy, you can add some chile de árbol. But this way, it's perfect. My kids love it, and they don't really like spicy. And there you have it, delicious costillas in Chile Colorado. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.